Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Whicons app. Whicons provides a vast collection of over 6,500 white icon packs, perfect for customizing your Android device. It's designed to work seamlessly with many popular launchers, including Nova, Apex, and Adwa. This app helps you achieve a clean, minimalist look, transforming your phone's interface with ease. Let's dive into the steps to get started. To apply Whicons, first open your chosen launcher's settings. Look for a section like Look and Feel or Icon Pack. Once you find it, simply select Whicons from the list of available icon packs. The app will then apply the new icons across your home screen and app drawer, instantly refreshing your device's appearance. This process usually takes just a few taps. Sometimes you might find a few apps without a Whicons icon. No worries. The app includes an icon request feature. Just open Whicons, navigate to this section, and select the specific applications that are missing icons. Submit your request, and the developers will work to include them in a future update, ensuring comprehensive coverage for your device. To truly enhance your Whicons experience, try pairing the white icons with a dark or minimalist wallpaper. This creates a striking contrast that makes your icons pop. Experiment with your launcher's grid size settings to find the perfect layout. Additionally, consider adding custom widgets that match the clean aesthetic, completing your personalized, sleek interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.